Hello and welcome to this session. Today, we will focus on Learning Outcome 3, Understand Cyber Threat Intelligence. In an era where cyber threats are constantly evolving, organizations face a range of risks that can compromise their systems, data, and people. This session will explore the essential aspects of cyber threat intelligence, helping you identify potential threats, understand their impact, and implement strategies to protect your systems, people, and processes effectively. By the end of this session, you will have a clearer understanding of how to anticipate, analyze, and respond to cyber threats in a proactive and informed way. Protecting systems, people, and processes involves training staff for awareness. Simulated attacks test network robustness. Policies and accreditations are crucial. Detection and audits enhance security. Suitable software and secure Wi-Fi are essential. Cyber threat intelligence helps organizations understand potential threats. It includes open source, social media, and technical intelligence. Human intelligence plays a role too. Threats can range from employee sabotage to unauthorized access. Weak security measures increase vulnerability. A cyber attack is an assault on a computer or network. It aims to disable, disrupt, or control systems. Cyber attacks can alter, block, or steal data. They often seek unauthorized access. Understanding these attacks is crucial for prevention. Botnets are networks of infected devices. Malware includes spyware and ransomware. Phishing steals sensitive data through fraudulent communications. Man-in-the-middle attacks intercept data between parties. Denial of service attacks flood systems with traffic. SQL injections insert malicious code into servers. DNS tunneling disguises outbound traffic as DNS. These advanced threats require sophisticated defenses. Cybercriminals constantly evolve their tactics. Staying informed is key to protection. Several laws govern cybersecurity. The Data Protection Act and Freedom of Information Act are key. Privacy regulations protect personal data. The Computer Misuse Act addresses cybercrime. Compliance ensures legal security. The Data Protection Act aligns with EU regulations. It addresses national security and immigration. The Communications Act includes cybersecurity obligations. Privacy regulations control electronic communications. Understanding these laws is vital. Implementing effective policies is crucial. Data security standards protect information. Networking components like firewalls secure communication. Password strength is vital. Penetration testing identifies vulnerabilities. Boundary firewalls create network defenses. Malware protection detects attack codes. Patch management addresses software vulnerabilities. Whitelisting controls software execution. Secure configurations restrict device functionality. Security monitoring detects suspicious activity. Staff training enhances awareness. Incident management plans reduce attack impact. These measures strengthen organizational security. Preparedness is key to defense. Training staff is crucial for prevention. Keeping software updated prevents vulnerabilities. Endpoint protection secures remote devices. Firewalls defend against brute force attacks. Backing up data prevents loss. Controlling system access is essential. Secure Wi-Fi prevents unauthorized connections. Employee accounts should be separate. Access management blocks unauthorized software. Strong passwords enhance security. Cybersecurity involves people, processes, and technology. Training staff reduces vulnerabilities. Processes define security activities. Technology prevents cyber risks. A holistic approach ensures protection. ISO 27001 is a leading cybersecurity standard. It advocates a combination of 3 pillars: Implementing ISO 27001 ensures comprehensive security. It helps organizations win new business. Commitment to security is essential. Explore resources for further learning. Books and journals provide in-depth knowledge. The Moodle platform offers additional materials. Queries can be directed to the provided email. Continuous learning is crucial in cybersecurity. Refer to ebooks and journals for this unit. Email queries to the specified address. Assignments are due 2 weeks after unit completion. Submission details are provided. Stay engaged and informed. Cybersecurity is an ever-evolving field. Staying updated is key to protection. Implementing robust measures ensures safety. Understanding threats and defenses is crucial. Prepare to secure your organization effectively. Conclusion: stay informed and proactive in safeguarding your digital presence. By remaining vigilant and prepared, you can effectively combat evolving cyber threats and protect your online security. For assistance, please contact us via WhatsApp at 0748-436-1688. A member of our team will be happy to support you. Thank you, and see you soon.